All right, we're gonna set up a canopy. So first of all, you have to have the actual box set up first prior to this. It's not included. We bought this separate. If you guys can see it, we're gonna set it up and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and put it together and make this magic happen and put this up and see how well how good the instructions are available. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here's the final product right now. If you guys see, the label is out. I should put it on the other side, but I think I'm just gonna tuck it in there. They come with a little time, no instructions whatsoever. I kind of freelanced this thing, so it took me a little longer than I expected. But here's the final product. Beautiful little canopy we have in here. I had to tie them up. You have to tie the corners up. I've had to flip it around because the ties were outside, not inside. So I flipped it around, and here we are. Nice, beautiful canopy. And we're not done yet, so I'm gonna set something up for the end.